This exfoliating shampoo is super easy to make and you may have all the ingredients around you. It's so effective in getting rid of fungal activities around the scalp, loosening or build up, and also getting rid of dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp. You use the same way you use your regular shampoo, and after using this shampoo, I bet dandruff, itchy scalp got nothing on you. So without further ado, I'm going to start by cleaning my aloe vera. I'm using fresh aloe vera plant here, but you can use aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice. Just make sure you're using organic one, and if you're using fresh aloe vera like I'm doing here, also remember to clean it very well. I have a video on the channel that also shows how to clean aloe vera properly. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can check it out to help you clean your aloe vera properly. Meanwhile, I'm going to be cleaning mine off camera. You see this yellow gel here, you want to make sure you clean it very well to avoid irritating the scalp. So while I'm still on this aloe vera thing, let me appreciate you for being here. Thank you so much to all the returning subscribers. You are amazing, and if you're new, you are most welcomed. In here I put up videos around natural skincare and natural hair videos, all about beauty and natural lifestyle. So you may want to consider subscribing to this channel and be part of this community. So after cleaning my aloe vera properly, I went ahead to scrape it out, and now I'm going to be scraping out the gel. I'm using this method because I have just little quantity of aloe vera, and this is a method I have found to help me get a thicker aloe vera gel. You may also want to do this with your blender. It is faster with blender, but I'm using this method because I'm making little quantity of exfoliating shampoo I'm going to be using right away. So here we have our aloe vera gel, fresh from aloe vera plant, and it's so thick. This is why I use that method, because I want this thick. I want the kind of exfoliating scrub that is so thick and easy to work with. So now I'm going to start by adding sugar. I'm using regular white sugar. You can use brown sugar or baking soda or even salt, any kind of exfoliant that you feel comfortable with and can easily be washed off the scalp. And next I'm going to be using a regular shampoo. You can also choose any regular shampoo that works with your kind of hair, but make sure it is organic and your hair friendly. Okay, so having done this recipe over time, I have mastered this recipe and I'm eyeballing here, but I'm going to drop an exact recipe in the description box so you can check it out. And I've poured in my shampoo and then I will mix it thoroughly. Next ingredient I'm going to be using is essential oil, and I'm using tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil has antifungal properties to help treat dandruff and itchy scalp. It is very effective when it comes to treating dandruff, and I'm using just a little amount. This is an essential oil and you don't want to use too much. The next ingredient I'm adding is aloe vera, and this is the aloe vera I prepared earlier. You can see how thick it is. I'm using aloe vera in this exfoliating shampoo because of its benefit for our scalp and our hair. It can help to soothe irritated scalp, promote healthy hair and healthy scalp. It is great for fighting dandruff, and this is why I am using it. So now I have added all the necessary ingredients. I'm mixing it thoroughly. You want to mix it very well, and you can see it's foaming because of the shampoo. So here we have this super effective shampoo to get rid of dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp. And if you have any leftover, you can store in the refrigerator. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe, and I would like to hear from you in the comment section.